We guide you through how to turn off subtitles and closed captions on YouTube so your videos play cleanly without text on the screen. First thing you need to do is to open your YouTube app on your phone or go to youtube.com in your browser and start playing any video. While the video is playing, tap once on the screen to show the playback controls, then look for the CC icon. If the CC icon is highlighted or colored, tap it once to turn subtitles off. For more control, tap the settings gear icon on the video, select subtitles or CC, and choose off to completely disable captions. If captions keep turning on automatically, go to your YouTube app settings, tap playback, and turn off captions so they won't appear by default. After doing this, YouTube will stop showing subtitles and close captions, and your video will play normally without text popping up on the screen.